Good afternoon, everyone. It is a gorgeous, sunny spring day here in New York City, and I'm in Bryant Park, right in the center of Midtown Manhattan. And I'm here to talk to you about 3 keys to being a visionary leader. Most of my clients, whether it's on the executive coaching side or in my life coaching business, are entrepreneurs and business leaders, CEOs, and executives who all aspire to live into being a visionary leader. So here are 4 keys today that I have seen and developed and witnessed in great leaders. Number 1, the ability to think beyond circumstances. Visionary leaders are able to look at obstacles and circumstances that they may not prefer and realize that those obstacles and circumstances and situations and conditions are temporary, and that they have the ability to think beyond them. Steve Ross, who is a real estate developer, had the incredible capacity to look at the Hudson Yards neighborhood in Manhattan, which was a really pretty bad piece of real estate. It was not a great, attractive piece of real estate about 10 or 15 years ago when he looked at it. But what he did was he was able to see in that not great piece of real estate, that neighborhood that had been neglected for many years, the potential of something beyond it, the potential for something amazing. And so what he did was step 2, which was develop a vision. He developed a vision for a center of living and dining and business that would actually shift the center of gravity of New York City. And over the 10 or 15 years that it took, many people doubted him. Many people didn't believe that he would have the capacity to shift the center of gravity. Manhattan is an amazing place of culture, of business, of residences. But now, as you go and visit the incredible development that he created, that he founded, that he visioned into existence as a visionary leader, you see it's the most exciting new place to live and work and dine, the most exciting new cultural location in all of New York City. That's visionary leadership, which brings us to step number 3, which is believing in your vision. This is an emotional capacity, to have a belief, to lean into our faith, which is our believing nature, to think this thought which is beyond circumstances, to develop a crystal clear vision, and then to believe in that vision, to have faith in that vision, to have confidence not only in himself, in ourselves, but also in the power that breathes us, have confidence in our team, have confidence in the spirit of the living God, or whatever you call it, your source, your center, your power source, your abilities to create this vision that you've foreseen, to really believe that it is real, and to live into that belief. And number 4, to communicate that belief to your team, to prospective partners, to investors, to strategic partners, the ability to communicate the belief that the future is here now, the belief that this vision is not a dream but very much a reality, to communicate your vision so strongly, with such confidence, with such passion, with such knowing, with such faith in your vision, that other people have no choice but to believe it. To communicate your vision knowing and trusting that others will believe in it, that others will be able to realize your vision, to inspire your team, to inspire your investors, your strategic partners, that the vision is real, that the vision is real as anything that they see now with their 5 senses. My name is John Mark Shaw, and I coach people into visionary leadership. Step 1, the ability to think beyond circumstances. Step 2, the ability to create a crystal clear vision of your future, of the future for your business, of the future for your life. Step 3, to believe in that vision. And step 4, to communicate that belief fully knowing and believing that those who you are communicating with, your team, your partners, your investors, will be able to not only believe in your belief, believe in your vision, but they will realize your vision. I'm John Mark Shaw, and I am here to serve you and your business into its growth, into its full potential, and talk to you today about 4 keys of the visionary leader. Thank you.